Hey everyone, enjoy the show. Mantiques Network, how you doing? This is Friday. This is the last one I'm doing because I'm starting to forget what I'm doing here. Anyways, beautiful day here in Southern California. We will get through this shit one of these days. Everyone just needs to hang in there and be cool with each other. What we have is a 1940s reverse glass Budweiser sign. Very, very cool. Looks good. It's in great shape. As you can see, a little bit of dings around the corners here. But other than that, it's in beautiful shape. So if you are a fan of the Bud or you just want some cool vintage signs, I believe this is for you.
These are antiques. These are Mantiques. Antique, Mantique. These guys sell Mantiques. This is their store.
We're bringing stuff every day, in and out, in and out, in and out. We're shaking and baking.
These are their customers.
Give me the rundown on the GMC.
This lived in a bar in Ghent in Belgium.
Follow Jim and Jeff from 9 to 5 or after hours as they buy, sell, and restore the coolest stuff for the coolest collectors worldwide.